And then we also have a bonus module, and as soon as you join, you get access to, for example, also of all our weekly events, accountability check-in, different topics events, and you get access to this whole vast catalog of individual resources that will definitely teach you and tell you how you can go from bothersome to non-bothersome tinnitus. You will get access to the success story space, where we have a lot of lovely feedbacks from people who, you know, share how amazing their journey with tinnitus and on our platform has been. In 3-month progress, they could have never, if you would have told me 3 months ago I'd be able to be where I am today, I would have called you crazy. I'm finally beginning to feel like I have my old life back before T showed up. And that can be you.